छाती के बाल निकाल दो। I think every man is concerned about the way he looks. We just don't like to show that we care. At least in our generation, we all like to look good. Yeah? You look good, you feel good. There's a certain confidence. I think we are all closet metrosexual men. आप भी जब निकलते हैं मिरर में तो देख के जाते होंगे ना, आज ठीक लग रहा हूँ। नहीं, अच्छा आप मिरर देखते ही नहीं है? देख लीजिए, आप काफी गुड लुकिंग हैं। No, yeah, चलिए, let's all jokes apart. I think हम सब चाहते हैं कि we maintain hygiene. It's not only about looking good. Skin पे cuts होना या rash होना, ये सब अच्छी चीजें नहीं है. I think it's a put off. Even if you go for a business meeting and you're well styled, well groomed, it makes a difference. You look confident, you look comfortable within yourself as a person. And all those are important messages that you translate when you do board meetings or even if you do an interview. आप अगर मेरे सामने आके बैठेंगे और आपके स्किन पे रैश है तो आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस में आपको लगेगा नहीं यार, it's just that much. It doesn't always have to do with you being a metrosexual boy or being vain कि मैं कैसे दिख रहा हूँ. It's about just maintaining a certain hygiene. So clearly we've opened the...
Exactly, the Q&A opened before we scheduled it. But it's time we moved to a more interesting part of this event. And,
which is me trimming your hair?
No, not quite. So it's something that actually you may want to talk about, which is something that we are going to colleges for.
Yes, the youth, the most important spectrum of our country now.
Yes.
I think it's pretty evident now that we as a generation believe that we don't need to always be clean shaven. And you can be well groomed and hygienic at the same time. And women do find it attractive that if you have a stubble, it's not that they're averse to it. At least that facade is going away from the imagery in women's mind also. They don't mind a stubble. So I think the youth is a prime example. So let's bring on some youth from the colleges that we have sent our people to find them. I think I can see there are 5 of them right here. I can see them. So let's get them up on stage.
Great. Let's do that.
Right. Thank you, Anurita. Thank you, Ratam. Thank you.
From the small hair that you have. What should you do? तो अपने छाती के बाल निकाल दो. क्या trim करो? See, this is a prime example how to sharpen your jawline by trimming your stubble correctly. Just see how sharp his jawline is. और निकाल दो, सारी निकाल दो, ये पूरी निकाल दो. See, he doesn't believe in trying to hurt, so he's not trimming it at all. Basically. So while they're doing their thing, I think I can do my thing now. हो गया ना, 2 मिनट में हो जाता है सब कुछ. आ जाओ. That's the beauty of a trimmer. You don't need to spend 20 minutes shaving. You can do it in 2 minutes. वाह वाह, क्या लग रहे हो? वाह, ये बोलना जरूरी था. वाह वाह वाह, सबसे बेस्ट तो इसकी है. अभी तक उगना शुरू नहीं हुई. चलो, come, shall we do a photo op? Come.
Right, can we give it up for all our youngsters? And now we have their own trimmer.
Now is
we have the
Q&A.
Q&A after this. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Guys, can we have a round of applause?
I'm fine. How are you? बहुत fresh लग रहे हो आज. क्या बात है?
Thank you. You're the second person to say that.
काफी अच्छी स्टबन आपने उसको अच्छे से एकदम क्लीन किया है, ट्रिम किया है. कितना वक्त लगता है ट्रिमिंग में आपको?
सिर्फ इसकी वजह से.
फिलिप्स को छोड़िए, अगर फिलिप्स के अलावा अगर आप ट्रिम करते बैठते हैं.
जैसा मैं कह रहा था, आई एम वेरी इम्पेशेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द वे आई लुक. तो मैं 2-3 मिनट में स्टबल ट्रिम कर देता हूँ. एंड आई ट्रेडिशनली, एक्चुअली इट्स अ सीक्रेट, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. मैं जब रात को घर पहुँचता हूँ, मैं रात को ट्रिम करके सो जाता था कि सुबह उठूँ तो टाइम ना वेस्ट करूँ ट्रिम करने में. ये मेरी ऊट पटांग एक चीज़ है जो मैं करता हूँ. I trim at night, even when I'm shooting. हमें क्या फिल्म के लिए लुक मेंटेन करनी पड़ती है, कंटिन्यूटी। तो मैं हमेशा रात को जब नहाने के पहले ट्रिम करता हूँ, नहा के फिर सो जाता हूँ। दैट्स अ ट्रिक दैट आई हैव लर्न्ड व्हिच हेल्प्स यू मेंटेन द स्टबल विदाउट इट लुकिंग कि आज बहुत कोशिश की है कि दाढ़ी एकदम चकाचक बने।